Welcome back to part 2 of the Alabama Sleigh Fest, featuring Esteban.
Hi.
In the first part of this video, from earlier, if you guys watched it, we probably caught 80 bass in the matter of 5 or 6 hours. We just went and had some lunch at Byron's Smokehouse, which is probably some of the best barbecue I've ever had. It was freaking ridiculous. But we're gonna go to another pond that Steven has access to down here. We're gonna go see if we can catch a real donkey. Steven might have missed 8+ in the last one, so if you guys missed that, make sure you check that out. But we'll see you when we get down to the pond. Steven, what's gonna happen here? Give me something. Give the people something they want.
We're gonna go catch some fish. That's what's gonna happen.
He's a quiet man. Pond number 2. This place is ridiculous. Water looks a little bit cleaner. Saw a bunch of fry under this dock here that we just came out of. But this is something out of a book or like out of a movie. Got like a small cottage with a boathouse and no one or anything around. Sick. We were just told there's definitely some 8 to 10 pounders in here, and he said there's gators in here too. That should be fun. You ever caught a gator, Steven? Ace caught a gator. Ace has caught a gator in Florida. It was funny as hell. A little one. Let's go. Start off with the Senko. Oh, good. Lost the Senko. Yeah, this water's definitely cleaner. Hello, number 1. Oh yeah, there's a lot of stumps. Careful. You look, whoa. This place is sick. Got it. Eat it, boy. Man, it's deep out there. Might be like 20 feet. Oh, God. Double up. Small double up on dinks. Number 10. When we drove in, I thought it was gonna be like the last one. You know, there might be a deep hole by the dam. It's like 10 or 12 feet. I was not expecting it to be 20 feet out there. If it's 20, it's got to be close. Saw that. Right out of that bush or tree, right on the edge. There's probably about 100 fish in that thing. I was gonna throw that clear jerkbait. All right, jerkbait. There we go. Yeah, it's not big. Oh, it's big. I lied, it's big. Big old bluegill. Look at that bluegill. He's freaking massive. Bigger than some of the bass we've been catching. Sick. Thought that was like a better bass. That's how hard he hit it and how big he felt. Catching giants. mean, there's got to be some giants in here, though. Wouldn't you think? This one's better. This is a better fish. Or he's side hooked. Oh, he's side I was like, man, that's a beautiful fish.
There's an alligator.
Where?
Up there at the bank.
You serious? Holy shit, there's an alligator. See ya. Where'd he go? Oh, he's just sitting up there, right? Guys, we spotted a gator. Steven's going bluegill hunting. Got him? Oh, yeah. Giant. Dink. Oh, yeah, he was tiny. Come here, buddy. Crushing that jerkbait. What are we doing?
We are getting out of here and headed to another pond up the road. See what happens. If not, tomorrow morning we're gonna wake up early. We're gonna go back to where we started this morning before the rains come. And when the rains get here, we'll put on our flip-flops and rain suits.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah. See what happens.
All right, well, we are heading over to another pond right now. This one was really awesome. I mean, it was beautiful, super deep, clear water, overpopulated with small bass. So we caught about 25, maybe more. I don't know, I lost count. But yeah, we're heading over to another one, looking for the big one. Finish off the day strong. Alabama's been phenomenal so far. Just everything is different. The air's cleaner, people are nicer. It's very cool. I think I'm gonna move to Auburn now. Alright, with the last spot of the day, let's see if we can finish it off strong. And watching out for snakes. Got him. Oh yeah. Alright, come on, big bass. Little guy. First cast. Dose. It's the same fish. Thought that one was big. See ya. Let's try a jerkbait. Giant. Pretty close. Gonna give the old flick shake a shot. Flick shake a shot, flick shake a shot. One more fish, come on. Woo! Afternoon of dinks.
We got spoiled this morning.
Oh, we got spoiled big time. That was just sick. This is to level us out before tomorrow.
Yeah, karma.
Alright, it's the last fish of the day. Little guy.
Fire.
Dunzo.
Coming. We get there in the morning.
are done. All right, we're gonna end this video on this note. We didn't catch anything big at all that afternoon. You know, it was a ton of dinks. We probably caught between 40 and 50 fish, but it was still really, really cool to get out to these ponds and check them out. So the first pond we were at in this video was most likely the most beautiful place that I've ever fished in my life. It was a bunch of private land, and it had this 5-acre pond on it with an amazing cabin and boathouse. It was gorgeous. It was phenomenal being there. It was something out of a movie, but it was overpopulated with a bunch of small bass. I mean, I didn't even put half of the fish that we caught in this video because it was just dink after dink, and I understand it's not that much fun for you guys to watch. I still enjoyed it, and it was a good time. It was really cool to see these fish. Those massive bluegill were pretty sweet. That was very cool. The second pond we fished, same thing. We just caught a bunch of dinks, but both of these places have big fish in them. So pond management is definitely a thing that I've recently learned a little bit about on this trip, actually. So the gentleman who takes care of this land said he had a pond management company in there at the first spot, and they actually shocked up like over 100 bass. I mean, the small ones, they were leaving the big ones in there, but the 8 to 12 inch fish, they took over 100 of them out and moved them to another pond. So hopefully over the next few years that pond will grow bigger fish, and it already has big fish in it. That's the thing, it's just so hard to catch them because it's overrun with the dinks. But overall, it was a really fun afternoon. Leading up to this, we were kind of joking. We were like, oh yeah, we were so spoiled this morning, we're catching all these dinks now because it's good karma for tomorrow. And the next day was probably one of the best bass fishing days I've experienced in my life as far as size and numbers go. So I really hope you guys are looking forward to that video. I'm going to try to post that in the next couple days. But I'm going to leave this one off here. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for me if you're not already subscribed. And we'll see you on the next one.